All right, so now that Shop Manager is turned on within your system, you'll notice a new icon from the main All Data home screen. When you click on the Shop Manager, it's going to launch you into the management system. From here, when you initially sign in, it's going to say take me to settings. There's going to be a notification that pops up in the center here. The settings are over here on the left. Well, you'll click these, come in and verify your shop information, add your service writers, add your technicians. Please take note that anytime you make a change or you add anything within settings, the supply bar here will require that you hit the apply button in order to save it. Otherwise, you'll go through all this and it won't save and you have to re-enter it. One other thing to note is that if you were to come in here and autofill, if you autofilled that information, it will not save. It will not save in the system. You have to manually type in whatever it is you want to, can't even spell my own last name, whatever you want to put into the system in order for it to save. You'll go through your labor, taxes, markup, and fees. You can have as many labor rates as you would like. We can go over that in more detail. Your tax rates, of course, your standardized markups, and your shop fees. Again, we will go over this individually to make sure that it's set to what you want it to be set to. Your document screen, you can start your documents at number 1000 instead of 0001. Just that way customers don't think that it's a brand new system and you're just trying to learn it or anything of that sort. You can change the document number if you like. The enable keyboard shortcuts button here, it enables you to use your keyboard to command the system to do certain features within the product. Whereas today everyone's using their mouse, you can also use keyboard shortcuts. So you can enable that if you would like. Printing and emailing, you have your shop logo input here, must be 2 megabytes or less. As long as you have an image that you can save to your desktop, you can browse and upload that directly in here. You've got your document options. Again, this kind of stuff we will go into in more detail together. And then ultimately you have your disclaimers. I've included this disclaimer in an email to you so you can make changes to this if you like. It's just a broad range of information to put on your invoice, your estimates, or your repair orders. Each one could be separate. So your invoice footer, your repair order footer, and your estimate footer, they each can be different. And then the emailing portion, this is important. Make sure you put your email address in here because when you email a copy of the estimate, repair order, or invoice to your customer, it's got to have an email address that it's coming from. So that way they can just hit reply back and then it'll come directly back to you. Lastly, you've got your AutoZone catalog where you can put in your AutoZone PIN number. Today, AutoZone is the only parts catalog vendor that we have listed in the system that you can order directly from. More are coming, but that's still in development. Now, as far as the training on how to utilize this tool, you have two options. You have the training department, option 5 when you call our hotline, or there's some self-taught in-product guidance features here. So when you click on in-product guidance, it's going to open up this page for you. And for instance, I clicked on shop jobs. You can create how to create a document, how to view reports, how to look up customers. It's going to take you step by step on how to utilize those features within the system. Again, any questions, email is usually best to reach me. So shoot me an email and I can get you those answers quickly. Thank you.